That is nice.
So, yeah, she loves it, mate.
Yeah, look what I just found. Some money. Hello, this is Jake and welcome to another video on my automotive channel. Today is going to be a bit of a busy day. I haven't actually managed to get any videos out this last week because I've been that busy working on 911, getting it all ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, the 911 is heading to Colour Catch Liquid to begin the preparations, getting it all wrapped. So I've been very busy getting the car ready, getting the skirts on and everything like that. New bumper as well. But before I jump into show you all of that, please remember to give me a like and subscribe. Please do subscribe, help me out on the channel, that'd be great. So, the last few days I've been getting 911 ready. We got the skirts fitted. I had to go meet a guy at Strencham Services to pick up the new bumper, which is a 996 Series 1 bumper, on which mine's a Series 2 because mine's the facelift model. But the bumper fits. We do have to do a few little modifications today, nothing too serious, but you'll see all that in the video. Yesterday, which was Sunday and Saturday, got the skirts on. My friend Brian down the road. He said, bring the car down here, we'll get that all done. He's also got all the bumper prepared because the bumper had a few little marks, like my original bumper did really. So he's got all that prepared and it's all ready for its liquid wrap. All I got to do now is get the center console out of the car, because the center console that goes up where the gear stick is and the handbrake, that's going to be the same colour as the car as well. So I got to take that out, smooth it over, ready for its liquid wrap. Okay, so I'm down here in the carport. Porsche behind me, as always, Fiat 500, smart car, Fiat 500 pop, all the cars. It's a typical British day, as you can see. It's just raining, which makes it hard for me because I'm not going to take the Porsche out in the wet today. I did want to get him out for some photos before he goes, but I'll do my best and show you what work I've done. No news on the Fiat 500 yet, but there's new parts coming for his master cylinder. Well, I suppose that is news, but that'll be coming and hopefully we can get that sorted this week and he'll be back on the road. But anyway, we're here to talk about the Porsche and what's happened, so let me show you everything I've done and just a couple of things I have to do today. Okay, so calipers first. Here's the calipers. Now, this one I had problems with. I stupidly, originally, put the decal the wrong way around. So I took it off, rubbed it down, put a new one on, and for some reason the paint reacted, but I'm not too worried about it. Well, if I have to get it sorted again, I will. But there's my lovely shiny new wheels. So there's the calipers, purple valves. Same for the rear. There you go, you can just see them. But the skirts. So these skirts are now fitted. Reflection's good though. Yeah, the skirts are fitted. Used Tiger Seal on them. I don't know how well you can see the design, but it's good because you've got this line here that goes across. The line comes out and then goes back in towards the rear wheel there, and then on the bumper, the new bumper, we have the winglets, the splats. I call them winglets, but they are actually called splats, but there you go. Gives you an idea, and there's the new bumper, all prepared and ready. I will just give it a light wash before we go. One or two things we still have to do, but there you go. There's the bumper with the splats already on, so really pleased with them. So bumper's done, skirts are done, calipers are done, because I want to get calipers done ready for when we take the photos of the car. So the car will go tomorrow to Colour Catch Liquid. Originally it was going Thursday, but I messaged them and they said, well, if you can get it here earlier, it won't put them under pressure so much, because I want the car back by August the 7th. So I said, yeah, it's fine. So we've got to get the car ready today. The centre console needs taken out. That's the last thing that needs doing. Apart from the other bits, like I said, just washing the bumper and that. The skirts might just need a bit of sandpaper to get some of the Tiger seal off. There's 1 or 2 spots I can see there. Some are nothing, that'll take 2 minutes. But that's it. Okay, so we're here in the Porsche now. Just looking at the centre console. I'm not sure if I have to remove the gear knob or not. However, I have just moved the piece down the side of the handbrake, which is there. Got some of these plastic tools to remove, you know, bits like this without causing any damage. I believe there's 2 screws under there. There you go. 1, 2. There should be 1 at the front, and then I believe there's 2 in here. So yeah, wish me luck. I will hopefully get that. That one's coming up. I've already done these 2. Make sure it doesn't fall down there. And now we gotta get to these in here. Okay, so I've got the one at the back here, and yeah, look what I just found. Some money. So you gotta lift this one up here to access that one there. Okay, so there's one here, either way. This is it under, let me show you, this black thing here. That goes in like that. And you got to pop that one out to get to that one. Pop the fake floor out, this. And you got one right there. Once that one's out, he should come out. Okay, it's out. So now I'm going to take the pads off it. Clean it up and get it all ready for tomorrow. You won't see that. You can see the money in there, so I'm just going to go through that. It's somewhere in there. A few pound coins, nothing too much, but it's always nice to find funny money in a car. Almost forgot, before I get the car ready in the morning, I wanted to get these fitted. So this is for the bumper, of course. The bumper, when we fitted it in the surfaces, yeah, we fitted the bumper in the surfaces. We pull it a little bit too far this way. You can see that line there, where it's a little bit different to this line. Not much, but 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter. Just got to take these screws out, make sure it's pushed in properly, and we're done. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll see you in the morning, and we'll get going. Right, let's go. So I'm up bright and early, heading to Newent to take the Porsche to Colour Catch Liquid. There'll be a link in the description to their website, so you can check them out. I completely, it seems weird because I haven't got a, let's close that window. It seems weird because I haven't got a centre console, because it's all been poured out. It's actually in the back there. But yeah, it's bright and early, so we've got to take the car there. They're going to have the car until next Friday, August the 7th. And I'll be doing the unveiling of the car then. Some of you who've watched my earlier videos probably know what colour it's going to be. Look at the seatbelt. But yeah, it's going to be really good. Like, there's not going to be another Porsche 911 like it. I'm actually following my brother. He's in the Fiat Pop, and he'll bring me back because obviously I ain't gonna have a car to come back in because I'm leaving the Porsche there. That is nice.
So, yeah, she loves it, mate. All the guys up in Scotland are like, is that a wrap? She's like, no, it's dip. She's like, they're all like, what? Even vinyl wrappers in Scotland.
Okay, so there we go. The Porsche has been dropped off with Colour Catch Liquid. There's a link to them in the description and to their Instagram as well. So you can check them out, see all their cars they do. You could see there was an Audi in there. They've just finished. They've literally taken off the taped off areas and everything, the masting, taken all that off. That's finished, and then my Porsche got to be washed outside and taken in. I will be heading on Monday. I don't know if I'm going to be filming yet because the car will have the base colour on but not the lacquer. But still, I will be going. We'll see. I might film it, I might not. But I'll be taking Hugo, of course. So check them out in the description. So that's going to be it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see the outcome of this Porsche 911 and what colour I've chosen. They said not many people, in fact mine's the first car to be done over there. There's actually going to be gloss. A lot of people go with just a matte finish or a satin. Not me, I'm going all out on gloss. So yeah, that's all being done. Not too sure about centre console yet. I've got to think about that because there's one or two issues we could have later on with that, so we'll see. I might just go all carbon fibre. But there we go. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Links in the description to Colour Catch Liquid, to their Facebook page, to their Instagram, and to their website. You can check out all their stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.